is the fastest private jet in the world, and it's called the Global 8000.
It can fly at Mach 0.94, almost breaking the sound barrier.
With a range of 8,000 nautical miles, it connects cities like New York to Dubai non-stop. Inside feels like a flying mansion. Bedroom, lounge, and pure silence. Advanced fly-by-wire tech gives smoother flights than most airliners.
Price? Around $80 million. Because speed, range, and luxury aren't cheap.
This isn't travel. This is domination of the skies.